Hey everyone! Today I am going to show you how to disable Microsoft's AI features if you prefer a cleaner, distraction-free workspace. Because Microsoft updates these apps constantly, the exact method depends slightly on your version, but here's the most current way to get it done. First, open up the specific app you want to change, like Word or Excel. You actually have to do this for each individual app to completely remove it from your suite. On Windows, click on File in the top left corner, go down to Options, and look for the Copilot tab in the left-hand menu. Just uncheck the box that says Enable Copilot, click OK, and then fully restart the application. If you're on a Mac, open the app, click the App menu at the top left, go to Preferences, select Authoring and Proofing Tools, and uncheck the Copilot option from there. If you don't see that specific Copilot checkbox, there's a reliable fallback method. Go to File, then Account, and click on Account Privacy. Select Manage Settings and scroll down until you find the section for Connected Experiences. Uncheck the box that allows experiences that analyze your content. Just keep in mind that doing this will also disable a few other cloud-based Microsoft features, but it will successfully strip the Copilot Assistant out of your ribbon. If this quick guide helped you take back control of your workflow today, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more software tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you're keeping AI turned on or turning it off entirely. Thanks for watching.